Hi everybody, this is Shefa from Bijli, and today I wanted to talk about a brand new feature that ClickUp just released. So if you're in ClickUp, you probably already know about the Google Calendar integration that ClickUp offers, where you're able to see all of your meetings right within ClickUp. I feel like ClickUp just went one step further with the integration, and now you're able to manage your calendar right within ClickUp. So you don't even have to go into Google Calendar. You're able to create meetings, you're able to join your meetings, you're able to bring your tasks into your calendar so that your time gets blocked, and you're also able to see your team members' calendars as well. So this is very powerful, and I feel like it's a perfect combination of organizing your calendar and organizing your tasks, just all being in one place. So it's much more streamlined and easy. Let's get this integration set up. I am in my ClickUp home view. I'm going to go to the top next to the search bar on the left-hand side. You're going to see a calendar icon, and we're going to click that. And here we have the option to connect our Google Calendar. It seems like for the Outlook calendar, there's still a wait list, so that is pending. But for folks that use Google Calendar, let's get this set up. We're going to hit connect, and we are connected. So let me go ahead and close this. I will see now that I am connected to my calendar. I have it connected, and I'm able to see all of my meetings. Now, in my Google Calendar, I am able to see my team members' calendars as well. So what's nice is now I'm able to sync my team members' calendars right within this view as well. So if I need to see who's out of office, who's available, I can click on my team members. I have Ali and Arif, and there we go. Now I'm able to see their calendar as well. So I can see that the green is Arif, the purple is Ali. We can see that we have our weekly task planning meeting on Thursday, and we have our account management meeting on Monday. So this is quite nice to be able to see the calendars all together. So if I go ahead and remove my team members, if I just want to see mine, I now have this view. Now, if I want to schedule a new meeting, let's go over the key functions of this calendar integration. I can select where I want to schedule. Say, for example, I want to schedule a Tuesday meeting. We can do weekly sprint planning. I add my participants. So I'm going to add my team. And say, for example, I want to add another team member. I'd go ahead and add their email. And there we go. So I have my 3 team members that I want joining the call. I can add a ClickUp task or doc. So if I want a task connected to this, say for example, project 1, I can go ahead and add that to the invite. And if everything is set, the Google Meet will be added by itself. I have my name, my title, my time, my team members, and I hit send invite. So I can see that the calendar invite shows up over here, and I did receive the notification, so I can confirm that the email went out. So that's great. I'm able to create invites. Now, if I have other invites, say for example, I have this weekly strategy planning. If I need to move this, I can go ahead and just move that. So I just went ahead and moved this event to 9 a.m. Eastern, and that is taking effect. So any changes I make here, they are taking effect, which is quite nice. So I can see if I open up my Google Calendar, I now see on my calendar, the weekly strategy meeting is now at 9 a.m. I'm also able to see the weekly sprint planning meeting that I set. So all of these changes and updates are happening in my Google Calendar, which is quite nice. So I can do all of that right within ClickUp. So I'm able to create calls. I'm able to update calls. Now, what's also nice is I can join calls right through this calendar view. So if I need to jump on my call, I hit join Google Meet, and it opens up the link in a Chrome tab. This is how it showed up. There I am, and I'm able to join right there. So along with creating events, updating events, joining events, if I expand my calendar on the left-hand side, if I hit this expand button, this is really a game changer because now I have my tasks that I'm able to drag and drop into my calendar. So if I open up my assigned to me, here are tasks that I have with the overdue. If I had any tasks overdue, they'd show up here. If I want to connect a specific list to show all tasks from a specific list, I'm also able to do that, which is quite nice. So this is connected to my personal list. But if I work very frequently in the project portfolio list, I can go ahead and select that, and it'll show me all of the tasks that I have in that list. So this is quite nice. So I have my ClickUp YouTube video that I want to edit. So I want to do this on Monday morning. So I'm just going to go ahead and drag this, and I'm going to set this to 8 to 9. And if I open this, this automatically sets to focus time. The ClickUp task is already there, so I can add some additional tasks if I need to, and I am set to busy. So with that, my 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. has been blocked on my Monday with the calendar event set to focus time. Now, if I jump into my Google Calendar, I will see at 8 a.m. now there is a event on my calendar to edit my ClickUp YouTube video. If I open this up, I'm able to see that this is on my calendar and I'm set as busy. So if I want to implement ClickUp for my client Y, and this is something where I need to focus on Tuesday, I can do the same thing. I'm able to drag and drop, and then I'm able to set this as needed. If I am using my calendar view to manage my day-to-day, I'm able to click on my tasks and I'm able to open up that task to get the information I need to do. So if I am picking this up, I can go ahead and update the status right here, and it is updating the actual tickets in my ClickUp. This is a really powerful feature because it's really allowing you to organize your calendar right within ClickUp. I haven't really seen this done well in other project management tools, so I think this is a very awesome feature that ClickUp has released, and I'm really excited to use it in my work management. ClickUp already had the integration with Google Calendar, but this took it to another level as you are able to join your meetings directly, you're able to create meetings, you're able to edit your calendar, and you're able to drag and drop your tasks right into your calendar. So you're able to do your time blocking. Along with the functions that we went over with this release of the Google Calendar integration, there are areas where they've included AI as well. We have the AI note taker. So the AI note taker, it allows you to have automatic meeting notes connected to your docs and tasks. I don't have this in my workspace. This is for additional charge, but I think that that would be a very powerful feature for anybody that uses some third-party tool for your note taking. Along with that, they also have automatic time blocking. So if you have your tasks and you want to do an auto schedule, you're able to hit this little thunderbolt, and it gives you suggestions on areas that you have bandwidth to take that task on. So I can see that for project 2, it's recommending, it's saying, hey, you are available on Monday at 9 a.m. if you want to do half of it then, and then for the second half, you can do it after that meeting that you have scheduled. This is pretty cool because you can look at the auto schedule task and have, okay, let's add it to my calendar for you to confirm that that timing works for you. Here's the other auto schedule task I can set add to my calendar. So now my project 2 task has been scheduled. I have it set for 9 a.m. on Monday and 10 a.m. So AI is also in the picture, which is pretty neat. And that is it. I think this is super powerful. I'm very excited to use this. This really allows you to manage your calendar right within ClickUp. And if I hover over this, I'm able to see my calendar as well. I can see my events. So if I look at Monday, I'm now able to see my schedule for Monday that I've created with the tasks that I've added. And if I look at the list view, this is all of the work that I have for Monday. And I can open it up and it brings me to my calendar. All right, and that's a wrap. So that is ClickUp's new integration with Google Calendar. I think it's packed with a lot of small features that are very powerful, and I hope that you guys are able to use it for your workspaces. If you have any questions or comments about how the function works, feel free to drop below and we'll take a look. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye.